Hello and welcome to Yogateket. My name is Lisette Pompa and this is Vinyasa Fundamentals. This course is designed to give you a better understanding of your Vinyasa practice. So we're going to move through the breathing, how you breathe through a Vinyasa class. We're going to move through the fundamental postures during a Vinyasa class, finishing up with how to transition during class. And then we're going to take kind of a quick class, a short class to kind of try to put everything together for you. Okay, but today we're going to start with breathing. When we come to breathing and on a Vinyasa class, we're talking about ujjayi pranayama. And probably if you walk to a Vinyasa class, the first time you walked in, you kind of heard this noise in the room going on as they breathe. That's called ujjayi pranayama, and it's a way of, we use the throat, the back of the throat, to kind of create a little bit of sound as we breathe. So we're going to try it a few times. Find a comfortable seated position on your mat. The way the throat works as you breathe into ujjayi pranayama is the kind of the same sound you make or the same shape you create when you're fogging a mirror in front of you or when you're whispering to someone. So you kind of use that shape on the throat as you breathe. So we're going to try it a few times. Take a deep inhale. Then just open your mouth, exhale as if you were fogging a mirror in front of you. Again, inhale. Open the mouth, exhale. Good, close your mouth. We're going to try once again. You're going to inhale normal without thinking too much about the inhale. And then next time when you exhale, I'm going to ask you to close your mouth and to try to keep creating this sound as if you were fogging a mirror in front of you, but with the mouth closed. Once again, inhale. And then exhale with the mouth closed. Again, inhale. Exhale. Good, let it go. You can feel it, how it feels. It feels kind of different, the ones you make it with the mouth open, the ones you close your mouth. Now you want to try to create that same shape on the throat and kind of that same sound also as you inhale. Okay, so we're going to try it again. This time as you inhale, imagine trying to fog a mirror on the inhale through the throat. And then as you exhale, just try to make that sound again as you exhale with the mouth closed. Okay, so close your mouth and begin. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Don't let it go completely. You should feel it right now, especially if you have never used it. It can feel quite intense on the throat at the beginning. So as you start working with this breathing, I'm going to ask you to please start very gently, just to kind of give your throat a feeling of how it feels, and then use it a little bit more and a little bit more until it feels that it's kind of part of your practice. It will come a day that as soon as you step onto your mat, you will start using the ujjayi breath right away, because it just becomes a part of how you practice and a part of your general practice. Also, once you make the sound, think about making the sound in a way that you can hear it. It's a way also to create